Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pretty kind of chill video, but it is going to be a review over a hair care brand. This brand actually did reach out to me. They sent me a bunch of their products to try, I think in January, I want to say, and I've been using their products ever since then. This video is not sponsored, but these products were sent to me to try out. It is going to be over the brand FANOLA, and it is by Salon Guys. So I have a lot of stuff I did try out. I have hits and misses, and I've also taken down notes since I've been trying all these products. So I have a pretty thorough review of everything, and there is also a coupon code incorporated if you are interested in any of these products. So I will put the coupon code down below, and then, you know, whenever I go through every products and everything like that, I will announce it. So if you want to see my review over all of these products, then please keep on watching. So like I did say, they sent me a box of goodies pretty much a while ago. I'm trying to pull up my notes right now, that way I can kind of see everything, but they sent me this mid-January. I started taking notes kind of around like January 20th. So I've been using this stuff probably for about a good month now. I do have a pretty good opinion about it. So I have like a little, kind of like a little pamphlet right here that has everything built in. It has, you know, different hair colors and stuff like that. And then on the back, it has some of their best sellers, which I did get sent. So the products that I did receive, starting out with the shampoo and conditioner, all of these are pretty much either halfway gone or a little under halfway gone. I have their NutriCare shampoo. This is a restructuring shampoo, as well as the matching conditioner. And then I also did receive their No Yellow shampoo, which is for blondes. This cancels out any kind of brassy or gold tones in your hair. I also did receive the NutriCare Nutra 110 Actions. This is a restructuring spray mask. This is leave-in. I already know I really enjoy this, but I thought this was probably the coolest thing. And then I did receive their Orotherapy 24 karat Diamondate Puro. This is a regenerating fluid. You are supposed to apply this, I believe, before you do any kind of heat styling to your hair. So this is in a really nice glass bottle. And then I also did receive the NutriCare restructuring mask. It is the same line as their shampoo and conditioner. So everything is kind of restructuring, kind of healing your hair if you color it, if you use a lot of heat on it, anything like that. And then I also did receive the NutriCare Crystal Fluid. These are fluid crystals for restructuring also, and this smells like peaches. The other two things that I also did receive but did not try out, because I'm like terrified, and the other one I don't use. The thing I'm terrified to use is this. This is the No Yellow mask. So this is basically this shampoo in mask form, and this is an extra violet pigment. This is more intense than this one, and this one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right now, tones the crap out of my hair. I probably can only use this once, maybe 1 or 2 weeks, depending on how toned I want it. I could use it so much I could start getting like that silvery, ashy kind of blonde to my hair, which I actually really do like, but I can't use this often. And knowing that this is that like intense really scared me, because you actually have to leave this on. It actually says suitable for bleach, blonde, streaked, or gray hair, formulated with special violet pigment that neutralizes undesired yellow reflections, leaving hair soft, silky, and shiny. After washing the hair with the anti-yellow shampoo, put on disposable gloves and apply to the links and ends of towel dried hair. Leave on 3 to 5 minutes and rinse carefully. There is no way I would use these two together. I would literally probably come out with white hair. It's just that intense. Maybe I would use this once a month if I haven't toned my hair, but I've been toning it to try out the purple shampoo. That's why I have not tried this out, and it literally kind of terrifies me. And then the other product I have not tried out is their Fiber Fix Bond Connector. This is a sealing cream for color and bleaching hair. It says it's ideal for colored and bleached hair and to complete and stabilize hair after perms and straightening services. Apply to towel dried hair over links and ends and comb through. Leave for 5 minutes and rinse. I have pretty board straight hair, and I don't ever get a perm or straightening services, so I didn't really see the point of using this. I will more than likely give this to my cousin, because she has her hair has a really hard time staying straight throughout the day, and she really likes to have her hair completely board straight. So I'll probably give this to her and see if it helps her at all, but it just really wasn't geared towards me, so I didn't really find the need to use it. Now to talk about little pricings when it comes to this. So the shampoo, the NutriCare shampoo, this is $14.99. This is 350 milliliters. And then the same as the conditioner, this is also $14.99. The restructuring fluid crystals are $20. The no yellow shampoo is $30. And then the no yellow mask is also $30. The leave-in spray mask, which is 200 milliliters, is $15. I'm looking at this little pamphlet below me, that's why I keep looking down. And then the Orotherapy kind of like heat protectant oil is $20. And then their restructuring mask, which is 500 milliliters, is $25. And there's definitely a lot in here. So to kind of now get into each and every, you know, nitty-gritty of all the products. So I started on day one. I began with the yellow shampoo set, and I can firmly say that my reviews on a lot of these, some things may have changed, but 99.9% of everything that I did write down is still true to me. I did read over everything and I still agree with everything, besides a couple little like nicks here and there. So I basically wrote down on January 25th with the yellow shampoo set right here, I said not super impressed, has sulfates, which I don't like. It smells like vanilla cake, which it does. It seriously smells so good. Did it make my hair super soft or silky like the Blonde Sexy Hair set, and has a gel-like texture. So when I refer to the Blonde Sexy Hair, this is actually the shampoo, conditioner, and purple shampoo that I've started using for the past like 4 or 5 months. I really enjoy this. It has chamole, honey, and quinoa. It's sulfate-free, paraben, and gluten-free, which I've geared more towards getting rid of sulfates in my shampoo and conditioners, and this makes my hair so soft. It tones it and washes it so well. I loved it all so much. I literally went out and bought like the big tubs, like when Ulta had like the big ones for like $20, because these I think are normally like 30 or 40 bucks, and there's 33.8 fluid ounces in here. So anyways, that was the shampoo I was referring to. And then on day 2, which was January 27th, I'll normally skip a day or 2 of washing my hair. I tried out the purple shampoo. I said, I think it'll take multiple uses for a result. My hair wasn't as soft compared to when I used my Blonde Sexy purple shampoo, like I just said. I said it also smelled very good. Still feels the same. I still feel the same about the yellow conditioner and shampoo set. Looks like my hair is more silver maybe. I definitely did notice a difference when using this one time versus using it multiple times. Like I did say in the beginning, it really does tone the crap out of your hair. I'm a firm believer in purple shampoos, and this one is extremely intense. And then on day 7, February 1st, I did decide to try out the restructuring mask. I said love the smell. It has the same texture as the shampoo and conditioner set, and same smell. More hydrating than conditioner, plus it makes my hair a lot softer. Overall, I'm enjoying using this mask, plus it's quick leave-in for 5 minutes. I use it while shaving my legs. Also use a spray mask with it, and 100% loving that. So I've really actually enjoyed this. Like I did say, it's kind of a nice little multitasker. I can shave my legs, I could be washing my body or something like that. You know, I can just leave this in for 5 minutes and rinse it out, and I get a pretty soft, silky, you know, my hair is like pretty soft and silky after using it. And then I go in with their spray and mask, and this is amazing. I think I talk about it in the following day. I say, you know, that it actually detangles my hair. Sometimes if I put my hair like up in high buns when I have morning classes, I take it out at the end of the day. I did apply like a little hairspray. It's very tingly when I get out of the shower, and I would actually spray this on there and I could brush off the tangles so much easier. So I really enjoyed using this, and it smelled good. I feel like it added a little bit more hydration to my hair. It may just be me, but I feel like my hair has also been growing since using these products. I feel like it's grown a lot more. You know, way back when in my past videos, I did chop my hair off pretty short, and it's probably like down here maybe now. It's gotten a lot longer. I'm not too sure if that is because of the shampoo set or anything like that, or maybe that's just my hair. Maybe it's my multivitamins, but I swear my hair is growing a lot. And then on day 9, February 3rd, I said for the yellow shampoo and conditioner set, I said still have the same feelings as above on the yellow set. The purple shampoo, I said every time I use it, it does dry my hair out after, but it tones it a lot. I feel like it also does dry my hair out because it kind of like maybe, at least I like to think, it strips my hair of its natural oils when I am toning it. I'm not too sure if that's 100% positive. I'm not a hairstylist or anything like that, so I'm not, I'm not sure. And then the fluted crystals, love this, still makes my hair so soft. I swear this smells like peaches. It is the best smelling stuff in the whole time. I'm a huge lover of spray and mask, hair oils, anything like that I love. So I knew I was gonna love this immediately. I love the packaging. I think it's beautiful and it really does soak into my hair. And even after I put it in my hair, if I have any leftover, I'll kind of just rub it around on my hands and on my cuticles. And then on February 12th, I used the Heat Protect. This is like the oral therapy one. I think this does a heat protect. I could be wrong, but when I did use this, I said love hate with this. Made my hair oily but straightened it very fast and easily. The one thing I didn't like about this, I haven't used it very much. I've used it like 2 times, and the only reason I haven't used it much is because when I use this, it weighs my hair down a lot. I know you are supposed to apply it, I believe, when your hair is actually wet, but I don't ever shower in the mornings. I always shower at night, and then I decide the following day if I want to style my hair any certain way. So I actually applied it to my dry hair, and it weighed my hair down, but it did straighten my hair very fast. It made it very easy to straighten. So it is a love-hate relationship, like I did say. So for my little roundabout about these products, if I have to say that there's anything that you have to buy, specifically for blonde hair, I recommend the yellow shampoo. You know, like I did in the beginning, this isn't a sponsored video. I was literally just sent these products to try out, and I have been for a very long time. And I really do like this purple shampoo. It is super intense, but I definitely think it gets the job done, and it prolongs the blonde that you already did get your hair dyed to. So I highly recommend this. If you don't have color treated hair, the mask set and everything like that, I 100% love. Like these 3 things I will continue to keep using. I really like the mask. I did say, you know, it's quick and easy, and I really enjoy these because I love any type of hair mask or hair oil that's leave-in after the shower. I really do think anything like that does make a difference in my hair. It seems to not have as much damage or split ends or breakage or anything like that. So the couple of cons that I did see in these products, and like an overall gist of these products, like I did say, I'm leaning towards the no sulfate and parabens in my hair. That is why I have been, you know, really liking this stuff. I haven't used this though since I bought it because I've been using these products. That is the only downside to these products, is that they do have sulfates in them. That is, you know, it does bother me because I am trying to go towards a more sulfate free hair care thing. And then the pricing, I guess, would have to be like another thing for me, but I know you can buy them online. So like the shampoo, a 350 milliliter, and I actually even read the wrong price. The 350 milliliters, which is this one, is $10. The 1 liter, which I did not receive a 1 liter, is actually $15. So this is actually cheaper. This is $10, like I did say, and the price difference between these two is a little bit different. So there is a little bit of a price difference. For the 1 liter of their shampoo, that is the yellow, it is $15, and then the 1 liter for the blonde sexy hair, I believe, is around $30. So there is a $15 price difference, but in my opinion, you can, there are pros and cons to this. You can buy this at Ulta. You can get Ulta points. You can use Ulta coupons. Ulta always has deals on these. Also do get that these are the sulfate free, gluten and paraben free. It has the camole, honey, and quinoa in it. So you do get better ingredients in this one. Even though this one is cheaper, it still has sulfate. So that's really my only like nitpick with these. Other than that, I don't really see a huge problem when it comes to pricing. Other just that, it really does depend on if you use sulfates, if you don't use sulfates. If you want to order online for shampoo, conditioner, if you'd rather buy in stores. Me personally, I would rather buy in stores. That's why I picked all 3 of these up when Ulta had them for $20, because it's a steal for $20. And then, you know, when it comes to the shampoo and conditioning set, I didn't see that big of a difference versus when I used like this. I immediately had to kind of change my hair routine when I started using the blonde 60 hair, because it almost hydrated my hair so much where it made my hair oily, but then my hair readjusted, and that's when it started getting softer and started almost getting more longer with the, I think it was the quinoa or the chamomile or something. There's something in here that really just made my hair look different when I used it. And that's what made me get with these big bottles, is because I could tell the difference. Versus when I was using this, I kind of just felt like it was like an average shampoo to me. I didn't notice anything different. That's why I started leaning more towards liking the aftercare products more. But that is kind of like my little review on all of these products. Like I did say a million times, this is not a sponsored video. It's basically just sent these products. I do have a coupon code with them. It is, so if you use the coupon code TaylorAnn, which has 3 N's at checkout, you will actually get 10% off your order. I don't make any money off the coupon code. That's simply just a coupon code for you guys to save money if you want any of these products. Like I did say, definitely recommend the aftercare products. I really enjoy these. I've used quite a bit of this mask already. You can kind of see it's like scooped out around the sides. So yeah, I recommend the aftercare products or the blonde shampoo if you do have colored blonde hair. Other than that, it is a good gist of products. Would I buy them all again? Probably not, because I really am a die-hard lover for these sets, and they're sulfate free. The one thing I would probably consider rebuying again would be like the fluid crystals, the mask, or the after spray, like I keep saying 1,000 times. So I will have all these products linked down below if you are interested in anything. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you found it helpful, or maybe you found some new hair care products that you may want to try out or like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.